How to sign up Stocktwits. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're into stocks, crypto, or just want to follow market trends easily, then you can get started with Stocktwits account, whether you are using your mobile device or your web browser. First of all, open your Stocktwits app on your device and click on the Get Started button from the home screen. On the next page, you'll need to enter an email or even continue with your existing Google account or Apple account. I'm going to type in my email in the email tab. Enter a valid email address you have an access to and tap Create Account. On the next page, you'll need to fill in your full name, create a username and password in the respective field. So let me go ahead and do that. After creating your username and entering your full name, create a password. While creating a password, make sure to type in something you'll be able to remember and tap on the sign up button at the bottom right. If you want to opt out for daily RIP and Cryptotwits newsletter, you can also check on this little square box at the bottom. Otherwise, leave it as it is if you don't want that and click sign up. Now you'll be able to see this interface. Allow necessary permissions such as notifications if you want to allow that. And after you do that, you will be able to get inside the home page of Stocktwits. The next step is to go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left. Go to your profile. You can then go ahead and fill in your personal info if there is something left to be filled. You can include a bio, your location, or even add a profile picture for yourself. Now, once you get to this profile info, go to the verify button right next to email and don't forget to verify your email. Click the verify button and you'll receive a verification code sent to your email address. Go check your email service provider inbox. Now you'll receive an email from Stocktwits. Click it open and click on verify email. Follow through the instructions and you have successfully verified your email as well. Now click on save at the top right corner to save the changes, and that's it. You've completed your sign up process. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.